Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machine channel. My name is Richard. So today you can see we're inside of our another cement grinding plant EPC project site. And as you can see here, this is the central control room we provided for the cement grinding plant. So on the first surface, you can see that is the failure rate of the silos. And also on the right, you can see that is the control of the vertical roller mill, the bar mill, and also the high pressure grinding rollers. And you can see one thing features about control system is you get all the current and all the temperatures and all the sensors are shown on the screen, and it's real time. And also on the top screen, you can see that is the real time monitoring of the cement plant. So basically, you can see this cement grinding plant, we only have 2 operators. And then, so this is our using the cutting edge technology integrated central control system. So yeah, thank you guys. I will introduce about other parts of our cement grinding plant part. Thank you guys.